Hi, I'm Hugh Pendleton, president of DigitKeeper. In this 2-minute video, I'm going to teach you about cash basis bookkeeping. Now, cash basis bookkeeping tracks the cash coming in and out of your business. For example, if you have a lunch meeting at Red Robin or buy a new computer tomorrow, those expenses will be recorded immediately and will show up in your bank balance and this month's account reconciliations. However, if you have a bill and it isn't paid right away, or you complete a sale but won't collect the payment until next month, you won't be able to see these transactions in your accounts until they're deposited or paid. As a result, cash basis bookkeeping is fairly simple, but it doesn't give you much insight into your business performance. Think of it this way. You know you have bills due and customer payments come in, but you can't actually see them in your records until they happen. This makes running your business difficult for 2 reasons. One, you don't have an accurate picture of your profitability because some months you may record a loss and others a profit. And 2, predicting cash flow and planning business operations is really hard when you can't use your bookkeeping to track your expected performance. Imagine trying to manage your personal finances on a cash basis. You don't calculate how much money you have just by your bank balance. You take into account your monthly bills, when your paychecks come in, and any extra expenses or deposits hitting your account. If the only insight you had into your personal finances was that day's balance, you'd run the risk of overdrafts and missed payments, not to mention the difficulty you'd face planning for things like vacations or a house. The same principles apply to your business. In short, cash basis bookkeeping is simple, but limited. Tune in for our next video covering the basics of accrual bookkeeping and why we recommend this method to manage your business's finances. Let us help you to continue to grow with confidence. Click on our logo at the end of this video to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook to get more bookkeeping tips and support. Thanks for watching and see you next time.